Inspires Pasonasan. Third Year Courage, based in English. My topics is lesson plan, teaching, learning of skill development, student health. Learning of health, student access to process connection. Between the two of us are going well with you decide to make sure you decide to get the way. It many people have to be careful about learning more health. Plan to participate with the support skill level of doing moving forward with the she may have been. There are various principle learning, which 5 principles are considered as most important, such resistance exercise effect, primary and intensity methodological approach. The analysis proceeded through 3 stages consisting of health learning, how to process the finish for activity on the selective content with constant compressions taking place through each phase. Each stage provide categories that could be used explore themselves. The data additionally to ensure thematic saturation, transcript, observe, simulated learning encounters were then analyzed. How much those in cost effective for? Following statement about learning level doing that access the future analytical skill, personal behavior, communication, teamwork, context, and technique underlying these people to principal concept of determinant of communication, teamwork, both of which must be considered in relation to context. The concept have subsequently been used to personal behavior support, high quality, safe, effective, and efficient interpersonal care with the complex healthcare system. Student access the school supplies for student more than most time manage the long good luck with your energy term interpersonal refers to situation or environment in which practitioner of to more disciplined work of learn interactively and collaboratively rather. Learning health insurance. For student more than access the support of health together, let us create future be every young person has access meaningful community learning experience join us community about in our mission